In 2012, I attended a documentary screening at the Art Gallery of Hamilton, which was about the Sicilian folklore artist Rosa Balistreri. That was presented by Deborah Verginella and Madre films. I later met Deborah to bring the film back to Hamilton along with the Sicilian Jazz Project. I was so inspired and excited by this project that it inspired me to write my first Sicilian poem, A Voce Di Rosa mi suonavo.
I was the Festitalia president at the time, and Joe came to see me all excited. We have to do something Sicilian for the festival, he was saying. It was as if he woke a sleeping giant in this community, and that giant was Sicilia Canta.
I wish we could be together like we were in 2012 when Madre Films brought La Voce Di Rosa, a film by Nello Correale, to Canada, to Toronto and Chicago, and luckily Hamilton, my hometown. And we brought it along with the Sicilian Jazz Project, an incredible group of musicians who keep alive the music of Sicily, and they performed many of the songs of Rosa Balistreri. Rosa was not only an icon of Sicily, Italy, for women, but an artist that is inspirational universally. The film captivated Benedetta Marassi and I, and we wanted to organize something special with it. And my past relationship with Festitalia brought me to contact Joe Baiardo, and I got the chance to meet Sam Chino, and we brought it to the first, what would then be Sicilia Canta. So I'm very, very, very proud and happy to have been part of this.
When we did Sicilia Canta, we were there because of the film La Voce Di Rosa, which was about Rosa Balistreri, and we were asked to play some of her music. We ended up recording one of her songs, I Pirati a Palermo, on the second album that we did, which is called Murica, and that song, it's a powerful song. It's very emotional. It's about ostensibly it's about pirates coming to Palermo and all the terrible things they do, but really it's a song about the mafia. Rosa was very anti-mafia person, and when you look at the lyrics from that perspective, you see that she's talking about the brutality of the mafia in Palermo.
She was born into a society that was still largely in the grips of a feudal system. It was one of violence, especially towards women. Her life was marked by violence, and she fled at 24 to go to Tuscany. And it was there, by sheer talent, a bit of luck, that she was embraced by a group of liberal intellectuals, and they embraced her and made sure that her music was listened to. Rosa was born into a Sicily in 1927 that we are hard-pressed to recognize when we go there to eat granita, cannoli, and cassata in the summers, and revel in the sensual beauty of this incredible island that I've been lucky enough to visit several times and have fallen in love with. Butita called her the soprano of the South, giving credibility to a woman who was singing in dialect of raw, emotional, violent, and soulful folkloric songs with her guitar and her raw, coarse voice. And her songs depict a Sicily that Shasha describes as at once tender, sweet, violent, dramatic, dark, and full of ambiguities.
La voce di Rosa, il suo canto sozzato, drammatico, angosciato, pareva uscisse dalla terrazza della Sicilia.
E così sono rimasta incinta del primo bambino. La sera ero ubriaco. Chiacchieranza. Io mi aggradì, mi desse legnate, mi fece cadere sul proletto, cadendo in terra, stavo morendo, avevo una gran morragia. e mi sento esce dopo ci dico proprio pipedo. Dopo un'ora morio.
Ma la tragedia della mia famiglia si completava. Quando lo pace mio, sentendo la notizia, non resisteva allo grande dolore e se imbeccava, povero pace mio.
Maledetto Cofici, oh santo vito, tingia di fora e di perro all'anna.
Sabato sera ma padre era stanco, tutto il giorno io ho travagliato, non voglio fare niente. Mamma ti cucinava e mamma ti si ingazzava. Tutta settimana in questa casa voglio uscire fuori.
And I was the first performer, my group was the first performer for Sicilia Canta in 2013. And the Sicilian Jazz Project is a group that changes in size. Sometimes we're as small as a trio. I think we were, from what I recall, we were a trio that night at Sicilia Canta with Dominic Mancuso on vocals and my brother Roberto on bass, but we might even be bigger, I can't remember. And that's kind of the beautiful thing with Sicilian music. It's got so many influences in it already that it's very easy in the present world where we live in a multicultural society to kind of reference the sort of the multiculturalism that exists within the Sicilian music, where you hear the Arabic influence and kind of play that up a little bit more and make it contemporary.
Tutta settimana in questa casa aspettando un weekend. Le strade non sono fatte di soldi, i spesi sono tanti, e picciniti hanno mangiare, e poi voglio ballare a Monini. Razzietta a ballare.
Amolini, a ballare,
Cantare, ballare, fare, potranno ballare,
razzietta,
cantare, ballare, fare,
Amolini,
un bacio,
a ballare,
cantare l'amore,
niente,
cantare, ballare,
razzietta,
potranno ballare, fare.
dobbiamo ballare, cantare, ballare,
razzietta,
dobbiamo ballare, cantare, ballare,
a ballare,
e fare l'amore, dobbiamo ballare, a Molini, razzietta, a ballare, cantare, ballare, veniamo a ballare, razzietta, a Monini, razzietta, a ballare, veniamo a ballare, razzietta, a ballare,
A ballare,
tutti hanno a ballare,
razzietta, amorini.
tutti hanno a razzietta, a ballare, andiamo a ballare, razzietta, a Munini, razzietta, a ballare, andiamo a ballare, razzietta,
a ballare, razzietta, veniamo a ballare, razzietta, razzietta, a ballare, a ballare, razzietta,
a Munini, razzietta, a ballare. Vabbè dai, andiamo a ballare, razzietta, a Munini.
ok.